Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day because I am excited for this. Really excited. And I think you guys will be too. Today I am getting a new car. This one's new too, but the car I want, I don't want my head sticking out of it anymore. Like, it just bothers me. It's like annoying because I like to see the detail. I don't want to see the detail of my head and a car. It's like smashing a car and a head together. Now I don't know if you guys like it, but I don't. You guys may. Some people just don't like to have their head sticking out of the car. And that's why people buy cars where their heads can't stick out of them. Like, there's this one blue car, like light blue car that I want, but I don't know where that one is. I've searched and I could not find it, so that really sucks. Did that noob just try to kill me? You wanna go? Huh? Yeah. Stay away. That's what I thought, you fat noob. Guys, if any noobs try to kill you, literally, just kill them. It's like putting a bullet in their head. Like, 1 second. Just kill them. I'm kidding, guys. We're getting a new gun. It's an M3, shoots 4 bullets, each doing 2 damage. It's very detailed, close combat. Wait, is that a shotgun? Guys, let me know what this kind of gun is. I know this is a Desert Eagle. I want the golden one, though. Here's a Pro 9. I already have a 6 damage. This is a 2 damage. I do not have a 2 damage gun. I don't think. And here's a shotgun. Oh, it's an automatic rifle. I want an automatic rifle. And the M16. I want to get the M16 sometime, so I will be doing a video on that. I'll be doing a video on other guns. I will be doing a Madden Mobile video. Guys, a Madden Mobile video. Leave a comment down below if you think I should do one. Oh my god. Only 1 bullet hit me. Well, that's not where I wanted to go. I think it's at 100. Dude, is it? No, it's this way. Dang it. Go. Holy. Guys, I will be getting... Soon there's a car at the shop 26. The 26 shop or whatever. I will be eventually getting that car too. Just because you can't see your head, and I think that's a really nice car. And I think I like that one better than any other car, so... Noob. There was a noob right there, and there was another one. Trying to make herself look all nice and pretty, but she's not. That's my opinion. People have their own opinions, you guys may have your own. And I may like not agree. People all have their own opinion. If you want, you can put in the comments that is not nice. You can put whatever you want. Damn it, wrong place. Wrong place. Peachy poop. It's not at that. I think it's at Guns. No. Gun upgrades, VC. I don't know what this shop is. Get your fat, ugly butt out of this town. I like how when you log back on and you be your player, They just run away like a big baby. Like, I can't take it no more, just get out. Oh, this is not what I wanted. Yes, here it is, guys. We just bought. Oh, no, this is not the one I want. This. We own 3 cars now, guys. Oh, I don't know what happened there. Oh my god. It's a Lamborghini. So guys, this is the Lamborghini. It took me this morning and a little bit after school to get this Lamborghini. $5,500. I could have saved up for something else like VIP. I wouldn't get the VIP though. I'm gonna tell you guys this. It only lasts a month if you're paying $7,500. I'm not kidding, guys. Like, buying the Lamborghini is not worth it. And my next gun. Oh, guys, I think this car is bulletproof. Yeah, guys, this car is bulletproof, I think. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, no, it's not bulletproof. I thought this car was bulletproof. And I think we're going to end up in the hospital. Oh, no, I still have a vibe. So there's the Lamborghini. If you guys are wondering, the Neo rifle does a detail of 9 damage. We are going to be getting this rifle right here. It's exactly the same, but better. It has a size clip, and I think it's an automatic. Wow, is this noob gonna try buying it? Yep, that noob's gonna try saving up. 7,000. I know it's an 8 damage, but I have 9 damage. This is an 8 damage too, but sorry guys for the view. I have something in my nose that's bothering me. The steampunk pistol. Oh god. Okay guys, sorry. It's just really bothering me. I got hit in the nose today. It just feels weird and funny. Oh guys, we hit 202 hours, guys. If it wasn't for my YouTube channel, we would be such a noob right now. So I'm gonna thank you guys all for watching my videos. Oh yeah, If you guys want to see me do a video on Madden Mobile, leave a like and subscribe. And a comment that you subscribed and you want to see it. That looks like a really awesome gun. But we're saving $7,000 now, guys. $7,000. Starting this weekend. Here's my Lamborghini. Oh, guys, if you're wondering how to get gas, tell how much gas you have in your car. Jeez, I'm not rich. So the only way to tell if you're out of gas is if you're driving really slow. And what they need to add in this game is reverse. Really. But guys, this car is kind of cheap. It's cheaper than other cars, like the Ferraris. The Ferraris I hate. It only looks good when you have your top down because your head sticks through up. I don't like cars like that no more. And this car is actually pretty nice. It's skinny enough to fit in this, man. And it's fast. It's a Lamborghini. Well, if you're on an open road, it's fast. And another way to tell if you're running out of gas in your car, guys, it will pop up right here where it says, use glove to grab items. There'll be a message popping up saying you have a quarter of a tank left. What you want to do is honk your horn right here. Just honk your horn. They fill you up with, filled 8 gallons. I had 12 gallons left, guys. And I just got a refill, so I have, like, not that much gas. Oh, guys, if you're seeing really cool cars, like this one right here is one I have. It's a different model. Oh, wow, 45 hours. Damn. Oh, crap-a-doodle, had a moodle. So, guys, don't forget to check out my buddy's channel. He has 9 subscribers, and sorry for that. This car is pretty nice. If I were you, it's definitely worth it if you do not like your head sticking out. I don't know how much gallons this can take. To be honest, I'm not really sure how many gallons you can have with this. The more you drive, the longer, or the faster you lose gas. This is probably the best car in the game right now. Like, literally the best. Like, if you're a new person and you're playing new game, like, not when they had, like, the, new guns and stuff. Oh, guys, if you want to know the Neo rifle is, it's right there. Under the bridge. This guy is marking where the Neo rifle is. The guy is fake. Trust me, I've came by him a lot. Now, the car that I'm going to try to save up for in the future, it's $13K. A lot of money. A gain house is more. Eventually, we'll be getting a gain house too because, of course, we're going to have a car collection. You just want to come here. There it is, guys. Just $13K. It's in the 29 shop. Oh, here's a few heads. If you want one and you're not the color I am. Just saying, not trying to be racist. $13K, guys, for this car. Your head doesn't stick out of the roof. It's pretty nice. Oh, man. God, poop. Get the flip out of here. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Shit. Seriously, people, leave me alone before I stick a zook up your fat, turdy butt. Hurry up, get in the car. Get in the car. Ew, rapist. My own guy tried raping my own car. That is very wrong, man. Bam. I want to do a drag race with this. Just move my car a little. Get your... I didn't say free kill. Oh my god. You want to know what? You're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. Yeah, where are you going, you coward? Yeah, quit being a big coward. Come on, coward. Come back. Yeah, you're too scared. Where'd you go, huh? Did you go hide from with your mommy? That's what I hate about people in this game. You fat noobs. Sorry guys that looks wrong. I'm trying to get in my car. If you're wondering what device I'm playing on, it clearly, you probably can tell, but if you don't know, for who of you that are out here and you just want to start playing the game, I have it on my mobile phone. I'm pretty sure it's for Apple and all of those devices. It's on my phone. See if anyone wants to race. Woohoo! Winning! Ow. Guys, we are gonna win. Wrong turn. Drag racing. Oh, guys, we'll be doing an episode where I get caught drag racing Caleb. I think I'm gonna talk to him about it and see if we could do an episode, like real life episode, where we're drag racing and Caleb pulls me over. Like, that would be so cool. I'm gonna try talking to him about it in a little bit. Clearly he's busy right now. He had to go do something. You can tell I'm already gonna win the Facebook shop race, so if you don't want to watch it, you just want to skip ahead to the end of the video or something, go right ahead. Such noobs. Noob. I'm pretty sure that guy isn't even close. Just check my map quick. Oh, it's right up here. Oh my gosh. We won. Yup, we won. Woohoo! Win it in this garage. Oh, you should be able to drive it in the garage, bruh. Yeah, that guy was tooking bad. I don't see him around here. Woohoo. He probably didn't even try. He's like, I'm gonna win. I'm leaving him. Well, if he wants to be like that, he can be like that. Okay, no. Oh my god, stop. Do this, Facebook, send characters, upload a screenshot. Full screen, upload. Guys, I think this is gonna work. It's probably gonna say, no, you can't do that. See, watch. The app doesn't have the right to publish image or message. Tried uploading. Did I get it? No, of course, you fat poop. So guys, I hope you liked this video. I I don't know what's gonna happen for the next video. If you have any ideas, post comments down below. And maybe a name that I should name my channel after 90 days or something because something went wrong. But that's it for today's video. Bye. Oh, oops. No, I don't want to play Clash of Clans.